Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. Its website is smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to make a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help ISU actuary. Here's a problem for today. An insurer's annual weather-related loss x is a random variable with density function f of x equal to 2.5 times 200 to the power 2.5 over x to the power 3.5 for x greater than 200. And 0 otherwise. Calculate the difference between the 30th and 70th percentiles of x. Well, the cumulative distribution function of x is given by the integral from minus infinity to x of the density, which of course doesn't really start at minus infinity because below 200 the density is 0, so we start from 200 to x of 2.5 times 200 to the power 2.5 over t to the power 3.5 dt. So that's this density. We just take the integral of a density from where the density ends at the left-hand tail to x. Well, the integral of this function is minus 200 to the power 2.5 over t to the 2.5. And we evaluate it from 200 to x, and that becomes 1 minus 200 to the power 2.5 over 2.5. And it's really reversed in a sense because there's a minus in front of the formula, so you're going to get the minus 200 to the power 2.5 over x to the power 2.5 when you plug in x, and then you'll get minus minus, so plus 1 when you plug in 200. But that's what it is, basically. So it's 1 minus 200 divided by x to the power 2.5 for x more than 200. And for any p between 0 and 1 representing probability, so a fraction, 100 p percentile, which basically says something like that if p is 0.50, that this is the 50th percentile. That's given by p, that probability, equal to the cumulative distribution function value at xp, which is 1 minus 200 over x sub p to the 2.5. Then what is xp from that? We basically solve this for xp. So 1 minus p is equal to 200 over x p to the power 2.5, so that we take both sides to the power, which is the reciprocal of 2.5, and 2.5 is 5/2, so the reciprocal of that is 2/5. So 1 minus to the p to the 2/5 is equal to 200 over x sub p. So x sub p is equal to 200 over 1 minus p to the power 0.4. 2 over 5 is 0.4. It follows then that x 0.70 minus x 0.30, that difference of the two percentiles that we're looking for, 70th and 30th, is 200 over 0.30 to the 0.4 minus 200 over 0.7 to 0.4, which is approximately 93.06. We just do this on the calculator, and that's answer B. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself comes from Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.